In the last class, we learned what data types are. Today, let's write real Kotlin code and understand exactly why we use each of them. First is int. It stores whole numbers without any decimals, perfect for things like counting your age. Need high precision for money. Double handles large decimal numbers, like a salary of $55,000.75. Float also stores decimals, but takes less memory. Just remember to put an F at the end, like 3.14F. What about a single letter? Use char and wrap it in single quotes, like a golden grade A. For words and sentences, we use string. Always wrap strings in double quotes, like a name tag saying Nitish. Boolean is the simplest. It only holds true or false logic, like asking, "Are you a student?" True. If an int isn't big enough, use long. It's for massive numbers like the global population. Add an L at the end. If you know the number stays small, use short to save memory. Great for a boiling temperature of 100 degrees. The smallest of all is byte, ranging only from -128 to 127. Perfect for a 0 to 100 battery percentage. Need to store many items together? Use an array, like a list of your favorite games. They always start at index 0. And that's it! You've just mastered the most important data types in Kotlin. To learn more, follow Stickman Coding Academy.